In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable two-factor authentication on Proton Mail using Google Chrome. Now, if you're considering this change, perhaps you're finding the additional step of 2FA a bit of a hassle, or maybe you have another reason for wanting to simplify your login process. Whatever your reason, it's crucial to remember that while disabling two-factor authentication can make logging in quicker, it does reduce the security level of your account, so be certain this is the right choice for you. First, let's start by opening Google Chrome on your computer. After launching Chrome, go ahead and visit the Proton Mail website. If you're a regular user, the website might be in your frequently visited list. Once there, you'll want to log into your Proton Mail account by entering your username and password. If 2FA is currently enabled, you'll need to complete this step by verifying your identity using your second factor, so have your authentication method handy, whether that's an app or a piece of hardware. Once you're successfully logged in, we'll head over to the settings area. You can typically find this option by looking for a gear icon, or there might be a link labeled Settings, either on the top corner of your dashboard or within a sidebar. Click on it to enter the settings menu. Now within the settings, we'll navigate to the security section. This is where you'll manage all the security features associated with your account, including two-factor authentication. When you're in the security section, take a moment to review some of the other options available. Proton Mail offers robust options that can help keep your communications secure even without 2FA. Once you're in the security section, you'll see the two-factor authentication area. The option you'll want to choose is Disable Two-Factor Authentication. By selecting this, you're signaling your intention to turn off the security measure. After selecting to disable 2FA, Proton Mail will ask you to confirm this action for security reasons. You'll need to re-enter your account password. This step is important because it ensures that it's actually you trying to make this change rather than someone who gained unauthorized access to your account. You may see a few additional security prompts. Be sure to follow these as they're designed to protect your account. Once you have confirmed your password and navigated through any prompts, the two-factor authentication will be turned off. From now on, logging into your account will no longer require that second authentication step, making the process faster but slightly less secure. And there you have it. You've successfully disabled two-factor authentication on your Proton Mail account via Google Chrome. Remember, with ease of access comes the responsibility of maintaining the security of your account in other ways. So consider using strong, unique passwords and staying vigilant about any suspicious activities.